What's good, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we got a new plugin from Waves, man. Let's go. Like I said, family, we got a new plugin from Waves. They were actually giving this plugin away on Black Friday, and that's the Waves Silk, man. Hey, I'm not even gonna lie. This plugin is fire and definitely a game changer. There's a bunch of other plugins out there that kind of do the same thing. We talked about them on this channel before. You got the Smooth Operator, a couple other plugins that do the exact same thing this Wave Silk plugin does. But hey, Waves, you guys are really coming through in the clutch, man, with these fire plugins lately. I can't even lie. So you guys can see it all over my face. I like this plugin. So look, let's head over to the computer and get to work. All right, fam. So here is the Waves Silk Vocal. Like I said, this is a great plugin. It's a new plugin by Waves, and they were actually giving this plugin away for free. So let's go ahead and go over it really quickly. So here you have your vocal type. You can pick male or female. Here you have your processing amount knobs. This is the low, this is the mid, and this is the high. Click this little headphone in each area. That's your solo button. It'll solo out exactly what's going on here. Then we have the little dots above each knob. This is basically a bypass for each. Then you have your delta knob here. This will let you hear exactly what processing is going on throughout the whole plugin. Over here, you have your dynamics panel. This just adds a little bit more flavor to the actual plugin. Then you have your high pass filters here. This is like some high range processing. You can have your de-esser, or it can act as a general high end processor. So you can click on both of these to kind of see which one works for you. Then you have your output knob here. But most importantly, man, why I really like this plugin, my first time using it, I did not know this existed. So you have this little arrow here. You click that arrow, it gives you another panel. You have your high pass filter. You have your speed. This is basically how fast the plugin is actually working. Then you have your precision. You want it sharp or you want it smooth. You have your smart makeup gain. You have a gate here if you need it. Then you have your actual mix knob here, which is great. So let's go ahead and start. With this here. We have a female vocal, so we'll hit female. Let's go ahead and play the vocal without any type of processing. Then we'll cut this thing on and try to get a decent sounding vocal.
My God, potential, but I got essentials to maintain no progress to up your mental. One strike with me, have you pray for dismissal. I'm really not that type, I'm just speaking from my ether. Time after time come.
All right, there we have the vocal right there. So let's cut this plugin on. Let's see exactly what this plugin can do, man. I haven't touched it at all. Let's see if we hear a difference just by cutting the plugin on.
I got potential, but I got essentials to maintain no progress to up your mental. One strike with me, have you pray for dismissal. I'm really not that type, I'm just speaking from my ether. Time after time coming for me, not lying.
Activate. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll go over each section. Just want you to hear kind of exactly what each section is doing here. So let's hit play, and let's go to the lows.
I got essentials to maintain no progress to up your mental.
You can hear it's just taking out a lot.
Pray for dismissal. I'm really not that type, I'm just speaking from
that's kind of over exaggeration, just so you guys can hear exactly what it's doing. But really quick, really quick, I forgot to mention, these are your reduction graphs down here. This is showing exactly how much reduction it is happening between 20 and 300. And this between 300 and 4K. This between 4K and 12K. Just so you guys know. We heard what the lows do. Now let's go ahead to the mids.
Right up, eat the step in front line and step on right up. This is so damn cosmic. You might got potential, but I got essentials to maintain no progress to up your mental. One strike with me, have you pray for dismissal. I'm really not that type, I'm just speaking from my
As you can hear, it's just taking out too much of those mids. Let's go to the highs.
My time bite up, eat the step in front line and step on right up. This is so damn cosmic. You might got potential, but I got
you can hear the difference
to maintain no progress to your mental. One strike with me, have you pray for dismissal. I'm really not that type, I'm just speaking from my ether. Time after time coming for me.
Now that you guys hear this dynamic section,
step in front line and step on right up. This is so damn cosmic.
As you can hear that dynamic section just adds a little bit of sauce to the actual vocal. So let's go ahead. Let's try to dial this plug-in in, man. We're gonna go ahead and start with the lows first.
Got potential, but I got essentials to maintain no progress to up your mental. One strike
that's
with
a little
me,
too much.
Pray for dismissal. I'm really not that type, I'm just speaking from my ether.
That's exactly what it's getting rid of.
Step on right up.
That's an overall what it's getting rid of.
To maintain no progress to up your mental. One strike with me, have you pray for dismissal. I'm really not that type, I'm just speaking from my ether. Time after time coming for me, not lying. My time bite up, ether, step in front line and step on right up. It's so damn
cosmic. Check these mids right here.
Potential, but
let's over-exaggerate this really quickly.
Maintain no progress to up your mental. One strike with me, have you pray
really
for
over-exaggerated.
Dismissal. I'm really not that type, I'm just speaking from my ether. Time after time coming for me, not lying. My time bite up, ether, step in front line and step on right up. This is so damn cosmic. You might got potential, but I got essentials to maintain no progress to up your mental. One strike with me, have you pray for dismissal. I'm really not that type, I'm just speaking from my ether. Time after time coming for me, not lying. My time bite up, ether, step in front line and step on right up. It's so damn cosmic. You might got potential, but I got essentials to maintain no progress to up your mental. One strike with me, have you pray for dismissal. I'm really not that type, I'm just speaking from my ether. Time after time coming for me, not lying. My time bite up, ether, step in front line and step on right up. This is so damn cosmic. You might got potential, but I got essentials to maintain no progress to
liking the way that sounds. Let's bypass.
One strike with me, have you pray for dismissal.
You can hear with this bypass, you can hear a lot of mud. That's unbypassed.
Time coming for me, not lying. My time bite up, ether, step.
You can hear it just makes that vocal way more brighter.
So
all right, let's get to this highs.
You might got potential, but I got
exaggerated
to maintain no progress to up your mental. One strike with me, have you pray for dismissal. I'm really not that type, I'm just speaking from my ether.
That's what it's taking out.
For me, not lying. My time bite up, ether, step in front line and step on right up. This is so damn cosmic. You might got potential, but I got essentials to maintain no progress to up your mental. One strike with me, have you pray for dismissal.
Let's activate.
I'm really not that type, I'm just speaking from my ether. Time after time coming for me.
What have we been dialing this in for like 2 minutes? You could definitely hear the difference in the vocal. Using this silk vocal is definitely taking out bunch of that unwanted mess, those unwanted frequencies. Let's go ahead and bypass this and play it.
Potential, but I got essentials to maintain no progress to up your mental. One strike
Active.
with me, have you pray for dismissal. I'm really not that type, I'm just speaking from
As you can hear, it just makes this vocal way more brighter. It just makes a bright vocal that I know will be in your face in the mix. So let's go ahead and bypass it. We'll play it again. No, let's keep it active. Let's play it again.
Got potential, but I got essentials to maintain no progress to up your mental. One strike with me, have you pray for dismissal. I'm
really you can just hear all that mud
just speaking from
and how dark that is. Let's cut it back on. Let's let you hear what it's taking out.
My time bite up, ether, step in front line and step on right up. This is so damn cosmic.
It's taking out a lot of mud. All right, now let's mess with this dynamic section here. Let's mess with this dynamic section here to see if it can actually bring something to the vocals. If not, we'll leave it out. If it does, great. If not, we'll just skip it.
Potential, but I got essentials to maintain no progress to up your mental. One strike with me, have you pray for dismissal. I'm really not that type, I'm just speaking from my ether. Time after time coming for me, not lying. My time bite up, ether, step in front line and step on right up. This is so damn cosmic. You might got potential, but I got essentials to maintain no progress to up your mental. One strike with me, have you pray for dismissal. I'm really not that type, I'm just speaking from my ether. Time after time coming for me, not lying. My time bite up, ether, step in front line and step on right up. This is so damn cosmic. You might got potential, but I got essentials to maintain no progress. To
you can hear this vocal just gets dark.
One strike with me, have you pray for
go ahead and activate.
I'm really not that type, I'm just speaking from my ether. Time after time coming for me, not lying. My time bite up, ether.
Yeah, this Waves Silk vocal, man, it really could take your vocal to the next level with this one simple plug-in. A couple knobs, man, you can have a great sounding vocal. As you saw, we just dialed that vocal in very, very quickly. Again, let's bypass and then we'll bring it in.
I got potential, but I got essentials to maintain no progress to up your mental. One strike with me, have you pray for dismissal. I'm really not that type, I'm just speaking from my ether. Time after time coming for me, not lying. My time bite up, ether, step in.
As you can hear, this vocal just didn't get louder, man. It just it has a lot more presence to it, a lot brighter. It's just a great sounding vocal with what this one plugin can do. You know, I may would come behind this plugin with a de-esser or something like that just to tame those highs just a little bit more. But for one plugin, man, this thing, it really does a great job. Let's play it one more time.
I got potential, but I got essentials to maintain no progress to up your mental. One strike with me, have you pray for dismissal. I'm really not that type, I'm
as you can hear, it just gets dark, man.
Time after time coming for me, not lying. My time bite up, ether, step in front line.
Yes, sir, that Wave Silk, man. It's a fire plugin. Did you guys get this plugin on Black Friday? If you didn't, why not, man? I'm telling you, Waves, after all the controversy, they have been coming through in the clutch, man. Waves, kudos to you, man. It's a fire plugin. I don't know if this is actually going to replace another plugin that I use in my chain, though. Hey, I just have to use it a lot more. Hey, if it works for me, I rarely change it. So I really want to incorporate this Silk. But me being stubborn, I don't know yet. But I love this plugin. I'm definitely going to continue to use it on certain mixes, bring it in. And eventually, hey, you never know. It might take over a plugin that's already in my chain, man. But hey, I love this plugin, man. Have you guys checked it out yet? Let's talk about it in the comments below, man. I'm telling you, this is a fire plugin to definitely give it a try. Do me a favor. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, check out my website, mixedbygels.com, and I'll catch you on the next video. It's your boy Gels, baby. I'm gone.